here, and today I will be showing you how to hook up your Nintendo Entertainment System. So before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like my videos. Alright, so what we will need is the Nintendo AC adapter. It looks like that. You'll need two connections you can use, which is the most common one. Well, if you don't have AV cables, you can use the Nintendo RF switch. So, let's show you how to hook it up. So, you're gonna take your power adapter, or we're gonna come over to the outlet. And we're just simply gonna plug it in. So you're gonna make sure, I'm sure everyone knows how to use these things, but in case you don't, you just take two things and just put them in there. And we are going to grab the NES and you're gonna turn to the back and you're gonna look. You'll see AC adapter. This is for the channel 3 and channel 4 switch, for the RF switch. And this is where the RF switch goes. So you're gonna take, and you're just gonna need to put it right there in that black spot. And as I said before, there are two methods. There's two methods of hooking up your NES. You can use the RF switch, which I guess is the most easier one. It's kind of all tangled up here. Or you can use the AV cables. It doesn't matter what kind of AV cable you use. It just doesn't really matter. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to hook it up. Well, first step, the RF switch. This cord, I gotta mention, is super dang long. So what you're gonna wanna do, same as we did before, look at the back. And I did mention there was this white input right there, and you just plug it in like that. Now what we need to do is come all the way around to the back of the TV. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but you just come around here. Yeah, it sucks. I will leave an image of what it looks like. But you're gonna take this end right here, and all you need to do is just twist it into that little hole. So I'm just gonna do that quickly. So now you're gonna come to your TV. Just align this up. Got everything set to go. Actually, no, you don't. Because what you can do is just take any game cartridge or whatever. This is just a box, but you can just take whatever you want. I'm gonna use Super Mario Bros. /Duck Hunt for this example. So you just open up the little flabs. I'm just gonna show you. So normally it's gonna be shut. You have to flip the tab open, take your game, just slide it in. It's some games you can just press the power button and it will automatically do it without pushing down, because when you push down it wrecks the 72-pin connector, but we'll just do it down because that's how everyone does it. So now what you need to do is take your TV remote, or you can just press the power button on your TV. And in this case, there's a power button. So we're gonna press the power button, and you need to make sure that it's on the TV channel. And you have to look at the back of your NES. And if it's set on channel 4, you're gonna need to put it on channel 4. But for me, in this case, it's set on channel 3. And now, you're gonna have to take your controller. The controllers vary from the NES Advantage, NES Max, third-party controllers. Yeah, you just need to plug it in. to controller port number 1, and you press the power button, and see if something kind of, oh, there we go. Stupid fucking light. Anyway, we got it working. So you can just play it, and yeah, in case you're wondering why the quality it's kind of fuzzy and everything, just I don't want you guys to worry. This is just because of my NES. Normally it will look like as if you have a connection with AV, but a little bit worse. But yeah, it's just a problem with this. So yeah, now I'm going to show you the second method of hooking it up. So we're just going to unplug the RF. For me, I have a black connector, which is replacing the yellow, and I have a red for audio. So for some reason, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter which way you put them in. But here, I'm going to show you. So there's the red for audio and the yellow for video. But what we're going to do is take this and we're going to put the black one inside the yellow. But if you have yellow and red, put it yellow and the yellow, red and red. Just match them up. So we're going to now hook this up. We're going to flip this up. And it's the same. You have to match them. Yellow goes to yellow and red goes to red. And now what you're going to do is take the TV remote, go to video 1, video 2, and we're going to use, instead of Super Mario Bros. And Duck Hunt, we're going to use Tetris 2. And I did an unboxing video of that, so you're going to want to check that out. So let's just take it out of the box quickly. So you just plop it in, press start, and there you go. You got your NES hooked up successfully. And you're gonna have to hook up a controller, otherwise it's unplayable. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like my videos. Thanks. Peace out.